how to look at the market, when to trade for long term, when to trade for short term. Today, I will teach you how to analyze the market with easy strategy. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. And today, I'm going to analyze the Nasdaq index and little bit Tesla with you. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. So this channel is about technical analysis, education, sharing. We don't recommend you to do any trade. But last Tuesday, basically, we have gave you warning for Tesla and Meta. If you follow our strategy to study the chart, you should avoid the job, okay, for short-term trader. And I hope you can make more money from that. Okay, so again, back to the point, Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. So you tell me we are forming, can you see this pattern we're going on? We are forming a channel. This channel is quite special. Okay, let's say you don't have any of my indicator, okay? So how to analyze this trend? So basically we can draw the trend line here, like point to point, and then you find a resistance here. Quite beautiful, right? And then if you draw point to point, the bottom one, actually it forms another channel. Basically, these two is parallel. So it's forming a parallel channel, and the index is bouncing inside the channel. Okay, so it is a downward trend or upward trend. How to tell? So look, we have a lower low. You see, the low is lower than the previous low. And we have a lower high. Can you see that? We have a lower high compared to the previous one, the lower high compared to the previous one, and lower low. So this is a typical downward trend. And I have mentioned many times, this one is a rebound. Why? Because at that time, if you use my indicator called YM Club Long, okay, let me show you. Basically, it's going downward. Okay, so basically, I have gave you the warning that from here, basically, you need to be very careful. If you trade stock, well, again, I'm not your financial advisor, but if you're trading with a downward trend, you need to use very light percentage, like small percentage. Don't go all in, because I know some of the people, they're like a gambler. Remember, when we do investment, we are not doing gambling. I hate gambling. Don't do all in, all out like that. First, look at the trend. If this is a downward trend, we only do like either you don't touch the market, you avoid it, take a break, learn it from my channel, learn it from my course, learn as much as possible, or you do very light, very small percentage of your portfolio to avoid the risk. Okay, so now we are in the downward trend. So two strategy. So you can do short-term trade. You are not doing long-term trade right now. I know some people buying here and then the stock coming down. What do? They hold it. They don't even cut loss. They hold it. Why? They from short-term, they become like a long-term investor. And then from long-term, they become like a forever investor. So I don't want this kind of thing happen to my follower, because I love you guys, apparently. And I want you to make money from the stock market, from any kind of market, actually. But my how do you say? I'm better on the trading. That's why I'm share with you on this channel. And I want you to make money from trading. Don't ignore time this factor. We have time cost. If you use, like say, I know some people, I have a friend, actually, he basically bought the Bitcoin at the peak. I know few friends doing that. And then like they hold the coins like for a couple of years. And then it's like, do they make money? No. I mean, 2 years, you better to do other investment, right? So we need to switch the market to look for a strong market. So back to the point. Now this is a downward trend. Do we need to worry what is going next for Nasdaq? I will tell you in a minute. But I want to show you the historical pattern. For any kind of stock or any market, especially for Nasdaq, if you look previously, we also have a downward channel here. Back to February 2023, you see here, downward trend. And after the downward trend, boom, they go up. They're choosing the direction here, right? They go up. And here is the same thing. Here is the same. So they need to take a break before they go up, or they go down. Okay, so two options for them. So I want you to understand right now, let's say you don't have any of my indicator. You buy short-term trade or you don't do any trade. and you need to make a small percentage for the, don't make big percentage for your portfolio for the stock market, because you don't know how to read the trend, and I try to protect you from losing money. Okay, so now what's going on? What is next? So I want to show you, this is my prediction basically. You can use it for so first, the blue one, basically if you follow my channel, you will know there's a gap here, and gap serve as, what is that? Resistance or support, depends we are above or we below. Right now we're above. So it's so smart. Look at the index. They stop right above this gap. Is it beautiful? Yes or no? Yeah. So you see this gap, if you put a line here, let me put a line here. Basically, this gap is really beautiful because it is not a normal gap. Look here. The blue line here, the horizontal blue line. So I want you, right now, I want you to zoom out your chart to look periods also. So basically the gap supports, and look at here. They serve as support actually periodically. The gap actually is from here. You see that? One gap, and they serve as a support, and another gap. And right now we're just above this. So is it possible we bounce directly here? Yes, this would be, this means something. This means this market is very strong. And I hope this one, so once they go up above this channel, they will come back to test this channel again. As a support, they come up. And they form a what? A higher high, because they go up above this trend line, and they form a higher low as well. And this is very important to understand. This is a trend reversal from downward to upward. Okay, this is a possibility, the blue one. Okay, okay. The B possibility is they go to the green one. They go to the green one. You will say, why the green one is the possibility? Why can they stop? Because they have a gap here also. It's just funny, like it's everything related. Even it's long time ago, it's still related. Okay, it's still related. Look at the bottom here and here. So basically, this is also one of the support here. Remember, for one stock or for one market, they have many stock, many support, many resistance line. Okay, so it's just like one level up, one level up, one level up, and they try to test the resistance and support. And of course, they have strong resistance or weak resistance, or strong support and weak support. So it's quite complicated if you don't have my indicator. If you have my indicator, your world would be much easier and save a lot of time. I will show you in a minute. So first, let's say you don't have my indicator. So now look at the blue one. Possible they come up here, and then which is the bottom of this one, and they go up again. Okay, they go up again, and to test this resistance again. Possibility 3 is the yellow one. You see the yellow one? They go back to the previous bottom here, and then they form a double bottom, which is like a W shape, and they rebound. This is also beautiful. This is also good, okay? If this is a weak market, they go to the bottom of this trend, this channel, and they bounce up. They rebound up, okay? If this is very weak market, what happened? Boom, they go straight, break through this channel, and then they go down, they come back. Usually people will buy here, and they thought they will go all the way up. I'm sorry, bye-bye. And then they continue go down. For my opinion, I would say possibility ABC is quite possible. ABC is quite possible. I mean, A and B would be good. A and B would be good. So we need more time to observe the market. Okay. So you always, this is the when you don't have my indicator. Let's say you have more indicator or you have more strategy. Okay. So let's say what my indicator tell you. Actually, look at my indicator. When it's going down, I told you, even they go up, this one would be a short rebound. Am I correct? They're coming back down because the blue never go to flat or never go up. We need the blue to go up. YM Club Long can tell you the trend. So what is the comfortable long-term trader will select, which is the blue going upward. You see, when the blue going upward, you just hold the stock. You have a very amazing life. Come on, right? You want to be a long-term trader or not? So you need my indicator, or you need to have your own strategy, okay? So now what is the good thing is the blue is going to be flat. This is a good because from downward to flat, and you need a time to change, to transform from down to up. So you need to have a flat here. Okay. So basically, let's see how it goes. So A, B, C, D, E. I have 5 options for you to choose. Are you happy now? Okay. So now next, I'm going to talk a little bit for Tesla. I will make so this is the trend for the Nasdaq. So what should we do right now? First, small position and short-term trade, and you need to find a strong stock to trade. Listen, don't trade for index now. Trade for the strong stock. How to find a strong stock? I will tell you the method. If you don't have my indicator, you can follow the method to compare the stock is strong or not, okay? So I want to teach you some technique here. So you see this is a parallel channel, okay? So now look at Tesla. Last video, basically last week, I have mentioned Tesla is in this trend. So you tell me now, which trend is stronger? Yes, the answer is Tesla. Why? Compare. This lower low, lower high. This is at least they don't have lower low. It's higher low, but lower high. So they're forming a triangle. It's definitely stronger than the Nasdaq. Okay, it is just right now selecting the direction. So watch my last video. I have mentioned how to what should we wait for Tesla. For the next video, I will also mention you more. Okay, about Tesla. So if you have my indicator, you can see what happened with YM long, which is the trend is going upward. So which one is stronger? You just look at the blue line direction. Then this going flat, this going upward. So which one is stronger? Yes, Tesla. So it's very easy indicator, okay? So you can compare with your stock. From right now, for those who already subscribe to my indicator, check your stock. Is it going upward? Okay, is it already going upward? This is a strong trend. If this is going downward, maybe you should consider to trade for another stock, to change to have a strong market, because it's much easier. Because when it's downward, even they have rebounds. I mean, yeah, you can change back to the stock, but I mean, it's better to trade the upward one. You see, the upward is much better. The range to go up is much stronger than the range they go downward. Even the rebounds. Yes. So it's funny. I told my friend to switch the stock, basically, my personal good friend. And then after switch, they told me, basically they did not sell the stock. They keep the stock, and then they regret. Why? They did rebound. Yes, they told me, oh wow, yeah, it's rebound. But if you compare to the stock I recommend, I mean, boom, it's much bigger. You know. So this is a big difference. You need to put time into your consideration. Don't tell me, oh, the house go up by double the price after 20 years, let's say. And but it's a long time. You need to put time into consideration. Okay. So this is my sharing today. Okay. So now go back home to check if your blue line is going upward or not, and try to find a strong market to do. And okay, now I want to give you a small game, small homework. Basically, one of the stock which start from A, the letter A, the simple start from letter A, they break through the long-term downward trend. So comment below, and then for the winner, I will choose one winner. Basically, I will give you a free trial of 3 days of my indicator to try it. Okay, so comment below, and next video, don't miss it. I will talk about your favorite stock, Tesla, again. And for the one who already subscribed to my indicator, you will have a small homework also. Not small homework, basically I will tell you the answer, which stock is already, for example, Tesla dropped through the trend line. You see this one, beautiful. You see this one is so beautiful. They even come back to retest the trend line. Is it nice? Do you like it? Yeah, Tesla always do that. Even here, they choose like a triangle thing, and then boom, they go up. So there's a trend line here, and they go, wow, from where? Even you bought here, you didn't buy at the bottom. You bought at 210. Boom, you go all the way to 400. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes? Okay, so if you want to trade easier, to save your time, and to make it very accurate about how to buy, how to sell, subscribe to my indicator. And basically, I'm doing a big promotion right now. Subscribe it now. You can unsubscribe anytime. Usually, basically, you need to take the course first, but now I do opposite. I let you use the indicator directly. And I hope you guys really making some money, because I know the economy is not doing good and people losing job. And I really hope you guys doing well, and I'm trying my best. Don't tell me something like, well, you cannot predict the market. The market, you cannot predict. You're just telling me you cannot predict the weather. But how about the weather forecast? What do? They do forecast. Forecast is not 100% correct, but I mean, at least you need to have your strategy. 70% correct is still good, you know? So you don't know what you don't know. This is my advice. Be humble and always keep learning. You can have your own way to become a billionaire, okay? But always be humble. If you keep telling people who want to help you out, oh, you cannot predict the market, what you say is just guessing. I'm sorry, your mindset is very narrow. You need to have an open mindset. If you have a better teacher to teach you stuff, which is fine, but don't put in the comment below. Like, I know some scam under. I'm quite surprised. This is a small channel, and I just want to protect my group, okay, from the scam. So don't put the scam below. Otherwise, I will report you. And the one who really think this channel is nothing, this is totally fine. You have freedom to do it. I just want to help the one who actually believe in me. And thank you so much for your support. It's really touching for me. And I will keep going on to give you more valuable video. And I love you guys, and have a great weekend. And I see you in the next video for our favorite stock, Tesla. See you. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. See you. Have a good weekend. Bye.